So my clients asked me to quickly show them how to set up a product because they're struggling a little bit. So this is just a quick tutorial to show you the basics of setting up a product. There are quite a lot of different settings you can go into, as well as formatting it for SEO. But for now, we're just going to look at setting up that initial product. So click Add New. And we're just going to type in the product name. So for this, I'm just going to put cushion. Now here is where you have the main body of your text, which I'll show you in a minute. So for now, I'm just going to put random text. And then we want to look at setting a category. So we don't have the category that they want to put it in cushion. So let's add new, type in cushion, add new category, and that will automatically allocate it. So we're not going to be covering SEO in this tutorial, just how to set up a basic product. In product tags, we're going to use things like sleep, pillow, bedding, nightwear. Add, and then all the tags are added down here. Don't need that. And now it's a simple product, so we don't need to change anything there. We're going to key in the price, which the customer has told me is 13. No sale price. And if it's taxable, make sure you select taxable. And again, in the bottom, just type in your short description. Now we want to add inventory. So I'm just going to paste that in. So put the SKU code in there. And now we need to add an image. So select product image. I'm going to upload the image that they've sent me over. It looks like they do some really cool prints. So once their site's ready, it'd be definitely worth checking them out. So here's the pillow image. And we've set it there to the product. So that's more or less everything for a basic product setup. So I'm going to click publish. And now we're going to have a look to see how it looks. So this is our product here. So now we can see that we've got this header that runs across, this title that runs across. And also we've got the sidebar here, which we want to remove. So I'm going to jump back into the editor. And it doesn't look like they have a plugin installed that they need. No, they don't. So I'm just going to check that now. So Ocean Extra has been deactivated for some reason, so I'm just going to activate that. Confirmed it's activated. I'm going to jump back into products. Back into edit. And now you can see here the Ocean WP settings. So we want to select full width, title, disable, hit update. And now I'm just going to switch to the front end, hit refresh. And now we've got our product set up properly. Now the interesting thing is to note that I'm going to type bottom here, I'm going to type top here. Click update. Now the interesting thing is the top box, which is your main description, the bulk of your description, appears at the bottom of the page, and your short description, which is at the bottom of the editor window, appears at the top. In your short description, you just give a very quick overview of your product, just to kind of interest your customers but not be too much to read. And then the main description is where you can really flesh out the advantages of that product. So that's just a really quick tutorial on how to set up products.